Welcome to Geography as It Is by Dr. Khushbu Sharma. Today we will talk about why India is witnessing nearly 95% of cloud cover despite a super El Nino. Let's know about it. So as you know that El Nino has a very strong effect on the patterns of monsoon. So right now what you can see in India is having most of the area is covered by 95% of cloud and this El Nino was very intense this year, but still there is cloud, there is heavy rainfall in India. So what are the factors? There are other players also which has changed the game for the monsoon in India this year. So let's understand why. So if you see in the bigger picture, El Nino weakens the monsoon on average, but it does not work in isolation. That means it is not the only factor which influence the pattern of monsoon in India. There are regional and local factors which are also very strong. And that's the reason why India is still see wide spread of clouds and good rainfall. So now you can see, well, let's know about what is El Nino. So it's a Spanish term which refers to a warming of ocean surface or which is above average the sea surface temperature rises in central or the eastern tropical Pacific Ocean. The low level surface winds which normally blow from east to west along the equator, that is easterly winds, suddenly weakens or in some cases start blowing from other direction, that is west to east direction, and becomes the westerly winds. So air rising over the Pacific moves east, causing less rising air over India. It reduces monsoon wind and moisture transport towards India. So throughout, if you will see the history, the strong El Nino years is associated with below normal monsoon rainfall in India. So we can definitely say it's El Nino is a rain spoiler. But to be very strongly said that it is not only one controlling factor. So there is monsoon through, which is a low pressure area at the sea level that marks the leading edge of the summer monsoon. This feature is associated with seasonal reversal of wind system, primarily caused by differing warming and cooling rates of land and sea. So as you can see, this is the monsoon throw in this area over the map of India. So when strong and well marked, it pulls in the moisture from both Bay of Bengal and Arabian Sea. So, being a vast ocean area which India is blessed with, it catches the moisture and it triggers cloud formation and rainfall and thunderstorm along its path. This week, this throw is active and placed favorably right over the central India. So, an active monsoon through, lots of clouds and rain. The Bay of Bengal is the moisture engine of India. So, it's usually warm in this season that leads to enhanced evaporation and more moisture in the area. Low pressure easily form over the Bay of Bengal. These systems move inland, bringing heavy rainfall. So the bay is pumping moisture of India like a giant atmospheric water tank. And then comes the Indian Ocean dipole. This dipole, as you can see in the diagram, there is a Western Indian Ocean near, you can see Africa over here, and there is Eastern Ocean. Then you can see the Eastern Indian Ocean belt. Here is Australia. So this particular area is warm and this one is the cooler than normal. That creates a positive Indian Ocean dipole. This strengthens the monsoon wind and increases moisture that transports towards India through the wind. And this can completely offset the negative impact of El Nino. Right now, a positive Indian Ocean dipole is supporting a stronger monsoon in India. And when these multiple forces aligns, the monsoon thrives. And we are blessed with, even though we have El Nino, a very strong El Nino this year, but still we are blessed with cloud and rainfall. The active monsoon through pooling the moisture and triggering the widespread rain. The warm Bay of Bengal is supplying abundant moisture, and the most positive factor is the positive Indian Ocean dipole that is in strengthening the winds and moisture transport. So even with a strong El Nino, we are blessed with rain. So the monsoon is a team game, and right now, Team India is winning with its favorable conditions. And really, monsoon rainfall matters because of this, you can see the rainfall pattern for the from the June to July 23rd. You can see the area in this map which is receiving near to normal or above normal rainfall. Then there is a below normal deficit area which you can see the area of Chhattisgarh and Madhya Pradesh. And there are states which are slightly below the normal. So overall, you can see the departure from normal is minus 20%, even though being a very strong El Nino this year. This data has been derived from Intermeteorological Department, and it highlights the actual rainfall from 1st June to 23rd July 2026. Then you can see the normal rainfall from 1991 to 2020 and departure from the normal. Thank you for watching. Geography matters. So let's learn geography in geography as it is. Thank you for watching.